going to remain the same. Fine, it will be P&L suspense to deceased partner's capital account. So we just have to find out his share, fine, and pass the journal entry. Yes, find out the average profit quickly. As the share to the deceased partner is to be given on the basis of average profits of the last 3 years. So this comes out to be yes, calculate the average profit. This comes out to be 18,000. Fine. Average profits comes out to be 18,000. Now share of Z. Till the date of death will be equal to 18,000 into, for how many months? This is complete 1 year's profit. So I have to convert this into 2 months profit. So how much will be the profit for 2 months? 2 by 12 into his share. Profit sharing ratio is not given, so it will be assumed to be equal. Yes, Kunal, Aman, kindly send me the answers in the chat box only. It's very difficult to see our two places in the on the screen as well as on the mobiles. 2 by 12 into 1 by 3. Profit sharing ratio is 1:1:1. This everyone knows that when the profit sharing ratio is not given, it is equal. So this comes out to be 1,000, I think. Yes, this comes out to be 1,000. And this has to be given through profit and loss suspense account. Now in the board examination, even when one entry is to be passed, you have to, there are cases where the answer requires only one single journal entry. Like in the case of a past adjustment, or in such cases, you have to make the format properly, write everything. So that is why the accounts paper becomes more time consuming. For a single journal entry also, we have to make the format, write all the things, write the narration as well. Fine. So this is the entry, P&L suspense account to Z's capital account. I have not made the format, I have not written the narration, but in examination, you will have to do it. For the second part also, as per the syllabus, requirement of the syllabus, this entry will be passed as it is. There is no need to learn, there is no need to do that part. That gaining partners, there they have given the entry gaining partners to sacrificing partners. There is no need for that. Simply pass this entry, P&L suspense account to Z's capital account. So हम sorry I yes, 1,000 you all have calculated correct. Yes, good, Vishwas. Aman, Ishanjali, yes, answer is correct. Apoor, what did you wanted to say? Current year, 1,000 current year's profit? I could not understand. Just a minute, I am unmuting you. Apoor?
No, I was telling the answer.
Yes, I cannot hear you, Apoor. Just a little louder.
No, I was telling the answer.
Okay, fine. So we are not going to term it as current year's profit. This is share of deceased partner till the date of death. Yes, very good. Let's do one question where the loss is involved. Question number 17, page number 7.30. Question number 17, page number 7.30 only, same page. I hope everyone has noted down. Yes, Aman, you want to ask something?
Ma'am, what would be the narration of this being suspense entry part?
Narration being the share in profit till the date of death given to the deceased partner.
Okay.
Or being the deceased partner given the share in profits till the date of death. Fine? I hope the narration is clear, Aman. Yes, Aditya, have you noted down? Aditya Somanchi, unmute yourself and tell whether you have noted down.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Who else is there? Kunal to has done. Kunal is quite active nowadays. Piyush, have you done? Piyush,
Yes,
unmute
ma'am.
yourself and tell.
Yes, ma'am. हो गया मैम, कर लिया.
Pravi, have you done it?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear too?
Yes, ma'am.
Shrey? Shrey, unmute yourself and tell whether you have done.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Have you noted down the answer? Yes, Shrey, unmute yourself and tell, have you noted down the answer or not?
I'm noted.
I'm going to ask the next answer from you only. Just do it fast. Question number 17. It's a case of a loss. Simply, the share has to be calculated and the entry is going to change. Question number 17. Amar, Bhuvan and Chaman are partners. I'm writing it A, B and C, but you are not allowed to abbreviate in the exam. You have to write the complete names. 3:2:1. Bhuvnesh died. Bhuvan died on 30th June 2020. On 30th June 2020. Loss from the beginning of the accounting year till the date of death was estimated at 1,80,000. Aman and Chaman decided to share profits in the ratio of 3:2. Fine. There is no need to calculate. It is the loss given till the date of death. It is loss is estimated at 1,80,000. But they are expecting, as they are changing the profit sharing ratio, so they expect the entry gaining to sacrificing. In the book they are expecting, but in the paper you have to give the entry B's capital account to P&L suspense account. As the loss is given till the date of death, so we don't need to convert it into months. Fine. So simply we have to calculate his share, that is 2/6. Yes, everyone do the calculation and tell me the answer. getting a variety of answers. Gaurav, how come 7,500? Gaurav has calculated. Ishanjali, correct. Pravi, correct. Yes. Brahmishta is correct. Vishwas, correct your answers. I think, Vishwas, you have done 3 into 12 as well. Vishwas and Gaurav, check, read the question carefully. Sarthak, have you done it?
कर रहा हूँ मैम, कर रहा हूँ.
Sarthak and Ansh Garg. Rahul, have you done? Hardik Bhatia has also sent the answer. Hardik, check your answer. It's not 30,000. Shrey, check your answer. Shrey, how have you calculated 6,000? Shrey, unmute yourself and tell how have you calculated 6,000?
हेलो
Yes.
मैम, गलती 6,000 टाइप हो गया 18,000.
18,000. How come
हाँ जी
18,000?
मैम, उसको ऐड करेंगे कल. सॉरी, क्या बोल.
How come 18? 1,80,000. This is still the rate of debt. Simply we have to do 2 by 6. This comes out to be 60,000. It's a very simple calculation. How come others are doing it 18, 7,500? 60,000 is the correct answer. Vishwas, 3 by 12 is not to be done. This is what I am saying. The question has to be read carefully. Now, this is the mistake being committed. We are in the habit that whenever the profit is being estimated on the basis of last year's profit, we have to do into T by 12. But here we are given the profit till the date of death. Sorry, loss till the date of death. So we don't require from 1st April till 30th June. The loss is estimated at 1,80,000. Then why should I do 2 by 12 or 3 by 12? Why should I do it? Fine. The question has to be read and analyzed carefully. I hope everyone has noted. So it will be B's capital account to P&L suspense account. Question number 16. Read question number 16 now. Hardik Bhatia, you are asking June तक की कोई value नहीं लेंगे. What value are you asking? I'm not getting it. Hardik, can you please? I hope Shrey, it's clear. You have done 3 by 6. That is not to be done. Okay, you took the wrong ratio. Fine. I hope, Hardik, it's clear. Loss till the date of death, that is 30th June, is given. So we need not calculate anything. Let's do question number 16 quickly. Read it fast. Yes, Ajay, Bhavna and Shreya are partners sharing profits. This is 16. Ajay, Bhavna and Shreya are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 2:2:1 On 1st July 2019, again, required has to be calculated very carefully. On 1st July, Shreya died, so the third partner is dying. The books of the accounts are closed on 31st March every year. Sales for the year 2018-19. Fine. Sales for the year 2018-19 were 5 lakhs. And from 1st April to 30th June, sales were from 1st April 2019 to 30th June. July is not required. Fine. Sales are 1,40,000. Rate of profit during the past 3 years had been 10% on sales. Since Shreya's legal representative was her only son who was specially able, it was decided that the profit for the purpose of settling Shreya's account is to be calculated as 20% on sales. Fine. Though it was 10% earlier, but now they want to give a benefit to the legal heir of the deceased partner. They want to calculate the profit at 20%. So we have to calculate it at 20%. Fine. So profit of the firm, not the share. Profit of the firm till the date of death. Is equal to, guess what? 1,40,000. Sales were 1,40,000 into 20%. So this comes out to be what? Yes, calculated. Aman Madok has given the answer. Bhuvnesh, there is no answer from you. I want all of you to do the calculation side by side. I know many of you must be using the calculators at home. Don't use calculators. They are not allowed in the board exam. Profit of the firm is 28,000. Share of deceased partner will be 28,000 into 1/5. That comes out to 5,600, and my journal entry will be P&L suspense account debited to Shreya's capital account. I hope this calculation is clear to all. Nitesh, correct answer. There has been a very positive change in Kunal and Nitesh. They are very regular and doing all the work. Yes, Hardik, clear? Okay, good. Himani, have you done? Himani?
Yes, ma'am, I'm doing.
Seems to be sleepy, Himani. Jasnoor?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Done? Or you're taking the screenshots today also?
Ma'am, I likha hai.
Don't take the screenshots, do it side by side. Now we are doing it, I'm doing it on the board. So you can do it
Yes,
side by side.
Yes, ma'am.
It will be a practice for you as well.
Yes, ma'am.
Radhya? Yes, Radhya,
Yes,
unmute. Have you understood everything, Radhya?
Yes, ma'am.
You are also quite regular now. Go to Radhya. Radhya, Himani, Priyanshi. No complaints from them at all. Yes, let's do the calculation of goodwill also. Yes, quickly do one question. Question number 19. Treatment of goodwill will remain the same in case of death of a partner. So that can also be asked. XYZ are partners in the firm sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2:1. The firm closes its books on 31st March every year. Y died on 30th June. Y died on 30th June. On Y, the goodwill is valued at 60,000. Y's share in the profit till the death date was to be calculated on the basis of previous year's profit. Previous year's profit is 1,50,000. Fine. Pass necessary journal entries for goodwill and Y's share of profit till the date of death. I hope it's very simple. When Y is retiring, after Y's death, new profit sharing ratio will be 3:1 and their gaining ratio will also be 3:1. So for goodwill, we are going to pass the entry gaining ratio to sacrificing ratio, and for the past year's profit share, we are going to pass the entry P&L suspense account debited to partners capital account. Fine, do this, try these questions. Next class, we will be doing calculation of the amount due. Calculation of the amount due to the deceased partner. Fine, that's all for today. Have a good day and be regular.